This is a demonstration showing the installation of a flexible LED strip inside of a glass cabinet. The tools and products needed for this project are your power drill, step drill bit, household screwdriver, flexible LED strip, and power supply lead. The power supply lead will more than likely be an interconnect cable within the system. You'll likely be tying the glass cabinet LEDs into your under cabinet lighting system. You'll be installing the flexible LED strip around the front perimeter of the cabinet. Start by removing any shelving from the cabinet. You'll then remove the door using a household screwdriver. Use the step bit to drill a 3/8 inch hole where the power supply lead will enter the cabinet box. The hole will likely be at one of the front corners of the cabinet. When starting your LED installation, you need to be sure that there is at least 1.5 inches of space between the bottom of the cabinet box and where your LED run begins. Peel the adhesive from the flexible LED strip and begin to work your way around the front perimeter of the cabinet box. Stay as close to the front edge as possible. When you reach the corner, don't be scared to bend or crease the flex to make the 90-degree turn. Throughout the strip there are resistors and diodes. Be mindful that you don't crease or fold the flex over those components. Carefully work your way around the perimeter, peeling the adhesive as you go. It may be helpful to draw a guideline that can be followed as you're placing the LED strip. The LEDs should be close to the fronts of the cabinets while leaving space for the hinges to be refastened. The goal is to have the LEDs hidden behind the cabinet door frame when the door is closed. Connect the power by poking the cable through the hole and plugging it into your LED connector. It's likely that the power source will be coming from a cable that is tied into another LED strip. Reattach the door to the cabinet box and fasten the hinges using your standard screwdriver. As you can see, the LEDs are visible when the door is open, but hidden when the door is closed. The beauty of this type of installation is that the doors are closed 99% of the time. The color temperature you've seen throughout the video is cool white, but the LEDs are also available in warm white. Mid connectors are a great tool when you have access to the tops of the cabinets. These connectors have a 4-inch lead that is soldered directly to the center of the LED strip. It allows you to keep all of your cables out of sight on top of the cabinets. Using your step bit, drill a 3/8 inch hole at the front top center of the cabinet box. Poke your mid connector through the hole and terminate the power on top of the cabinet. If you have any other questions about in-cabinet lighting, feel free to contact us at Inspired LED.